Creating a Calendly link allows you to streamline scheduling by sharing your availability with others. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your Calendly link. Sign up or log in. Visit the Calendly website and create an account if you haven't already. If you have an account, log in. Connect your calendar. After logging in, connect your calendar to sync your availability. This integration helps prevent double bookings by automatically blocking off times you're busy. Create an event type. In your dashboard, click on the Event Types tab. Choose Create Event Type and select the format. Set the event duration, location, and any specific questions for invitees. Set your availability. Customize the days and times you are available for the event. You can set specific hours or allow for automatic availability based on your calendar sync. Generate your link. After saving your event type, a unique Calendly link will be generated for that event. This link is typically in the following format. Share your link. Copy the link and share it with anyone who needs to book an appointment with you, whether via email, social media, or your website.